Welcome to SP Smart Ideas. Today I'll show you how to download and install Bluej software on your computer. Open any web browser, search Bluej on Google search box.
Go bluej.org now. Download Bluej Windows version. If you want to download any other platform, select the version. Now begin to start download Bluej software. Please wait until the download completed.
Bluej is an integrated development environment for the Java programming language, developed mainly for educational purposes, but also suitable for small-scale software development. It runs with the help of JDK.
File downloaded on desktop. Now ready to install Bluej software on your computer. Now double-click the downloaded file and follow the steps. Click on Next. If you want to install just for you, click Next. Then Next. Then Next. Then Next. Then click Install and wait until installation completed. Click Finish. Your Bluej software ready for use. After installed Bluej, the icon appear on the desktop. Now double-click the icon to open Bluej. Now Bluej is ready for use. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel.